Hello everyone, welcome to Techdot Digital. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost the speed of your computer processor in Windows 10. First, we need to open Task Manager. Right-click on an empty area of the taskbar and then select Task Manager. A new window will open. Then select Performance. And here you can see that the CPU is now running at about 1.78 GHz. In the search bar, type Control. And from search result, select Control Panel. On the left-hand side, you will find Power options. Click to open. Select Height Performance. And then select Change Plan Settings. Choose Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down and expand Processor Power Management options. Then expand Minimum Processor State. Change the setting to 5% and scroll down to find Maximum Processor State and expand it. Set the value to 100%. Now click on Apply and OK to save the settings. Right away you can see the effect on processor speed. It is now running at 4 GHz instead of 1.78 GHz. Our first setting has been completed. Now move to another setting. Open File Explorer from this PC and right-click on the empty space, then click on Properties. And now from here, click on Change Settings. Then select Advanced tab, and then click on Performance Settings. Here, you need to select Adjust for Best Performance. All settings will be unchecked. This is very important for the best performance, especially when you have limited RAM capacity. After that, click on Apply and then click OK to save the settings. I hope this short tutorial will help you to speed up your computer by increasing the processor speed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials.